Hello guys, welcome to Medical Mania. Are you feeling lazy and tired? You may be anemic. So the anemia is a nutritional deficiency disorder that results mainly from iron deficiency in the diet. In this condition, your body lacks red blood cells to carry adequate oxygen to your body tissues. The anemic person will be tired and weak and will be less productive in his daily life. Even though anemia is prevalent in all categories of people of all ages, it is mainly seen in women and children. So, the statistics of anemia are scary. It is estimated that 50% of women are anemic. It is a serious medical condition, and if proper treatment is not given, it may result in heavy complications and even death. As per WHO reports, in 2019, global anemia prevalence was 29.9% in women of reproductive age, equivalent to over half a billion women aged 15 to 49 years. Prevalence was 29.6% in non pregnant women of reproductive age and 36.5% in pregnant women. So, what are the symptoms of anemia? The symptoms are the person may look pale with pale tongue, pale gums, and pale fingernails also. He'll feel fatigue, headache, dizziness, lightheadedness, loss of appetite, hair loss, palpitations, and shortness of breath. Darkening of the skin around the knees and fingernails, swelling of the feet, and bending of nails in the shape of a spoon. It is a dangerous manifestation. In children, you can see weight loss, ill health, impaired intelligence, memory loss, and they'll be mentally retarded. Decreased immunity adversely affecting their physical health and also mental health. In adolescent girls, you can see fatigue, lean and pale body, lack of concentration, excessive menstrual bleeding, and adverse effects on fertility. In pregnant women, miscarriage, premature birth, low birth weight, birth defects, postpartum hemorrhage, neonatal death, and stillbirth. In lactating mothers, there will be decreased availability of breast milk and weakness. So, how do we diagnose anemia? Anemia can be diagnosed by checking the level of hemoglobin in the blood. Decreased hemoglobin levels in the body can cause anemia. If the hemoglobin level in the blood is below 11 grams per dl in females and 13 grams per dl in males, the condition is said to be anemic. What are the causes of anemia? Excessive menstrual bleeding because of any medical condition leads to excess blood loss. If essential iron is not included in the diet, your body will lack in the production of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the protein in your RBC that is responsible for carrying oxygen to your cells. Worm infestations can cause blood loss and protein deficiency. Example, tapeworm. Infections, malnutrition due to lack of folic acid and vitamin C. Genetical diseases such as sickle cell anemia or sickle cell disease. Continued pregnancies without any birth gap can also cause anemia. So, how can we cure anemia? Add iron and folic acid supplements in your daily diet. Eat foods that are high in vitamin C, example lemon and other vitamin C rich foods. Include foods high in iron in your diet, example leafy vegetables, dates, pomegranate, etc. Include foods high in folic acid in your diet, example beans, green leafy vegetables, orange juice, etc. Deworming every 6 months, especially in children. Maintaining personal and environmental hygiene to prevent worms from infecting. Birth spacing. Using proper birth control methods, you can create a gap between pregnancies. Early detection of anemia, example adolescent girls. Even though anemia is a medical condition, it has many sociological dimensions also. It is seen that anemia is prevalent in countries where women are least educated and less empowered. It is directly proportional to areas where the gender gap is maximum. So it is linked with the income of the woman and the nutritional choices she has. This means that the anemia free world can be achieved by giving proper awareness to the targeted population in a multi-sectoral approach. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. We'll meet you on another video of Medical Maniac. Bye.